Hi everyone. I wanted to send a video to you so you don't have to worry about the weather tomorrow night and having a good connection. So I will email the PowerPoint to you. It is also under the Articles and Resources tab in the classroom. And I just wanted to go over the PowerPoint so you'll know kind of what I was going to talk to you about. So you'll see the topics for discussion. The class expectations, mainly it's to stay engaged in the course. Where I see students struggle with this course is if they disappear for several weeks and then they write at the last minute, help, I've fallen behind. So the key to success is to really stay engaged and to communicate with me. And I know that life happens and there might be 1 or 2 weeks where you write to me and say, hey, can I turn in my assignment late? That's no problem at all. But when you do it every week or when you wait until the end of the course, that could be a problem. The assignments, you'll see a sample running head. APA 6th edition is what we use for all graduate level papers. And you will see the words running head should be in front of your title, which is capitalized on your title page. So I will make sure to point that out in your first few papers if that's confusing for you. But you want to make sure that you go to the OWL at Purdue website to the APA 6th edition because it will show you sample papers, how to cite everything. And please note that your references page is not called Works Cited, it's called References. You can read, so I won't read the slides to you, just as I expect you to when you facilitate the group collaborate sessions, just to highlight but not read the bullets. A couple of other things, do not write in first person except for the last few papers which are listed that it's acceptable. And don't write questions in your paper. This isn't like a worksheet. These are actual papers where you're including research and trying to write at a graduate level for this course. Okay, your portfolio PowerPoint assignment. If you know people who have taken this course before, they probably have told you, hey, you're going to have to record a video much like this one. That is true, they did, but for this semester, we are just having you submit a PowerPoint, and instead of presenting it in Collaborate, you will add speaker notes in the bottom section of the PowerPoint, and I will post a couple of samples with speaking notes. So no need to stress about capturing a video of your PowerPoint. With the TK20 reflection, that's just a paper about the courses you took at UWF. So please do not write me and say, hey, I got credit for this course and didn't have to take it. You're basically talking about how you developed your administrative leadership skills through those courses, and you don't specifically have to find your TK20 assignments, but just speaking generally about how those assignments helped form you as a leader. Your practicum experiences, most of you have written to me to ask for permission about your Part A and Part B. Remember that Part A is more like a project. Most projects involve data, analyzing trends. And then Part B is the everyday shadowing an administrator. So it can be something like carpool, but you wouldn't do it as a teacher would. You won't be watching one group of kids. Instead, you'll be looking at the entire carpool bus lane, looking at safety, kind of observing the teachers. Maybe you do a playground safety check walkthrough. Lunch duty is okay as long as, again, you're doing it as the administrator. But you need to make sure you're getting different experiences. So please don't attend all the football games to shadow football games. You need to get as many experiences as you can for Part B. If you have any questions, email me, no problem. So then I have a few slides on the papers, kind of what the focus is for the servant, 5 dysfunctions of a team. Again, some tips on writing. And then the Feely tips. If you have specific questions, you can put them on the discussion board and your peers can help. And be sure to review the information that I sent to you. We actually put that together as a class project last term. And you can call, text, email me anytime. I'm always available. And then the groups with the collaborate sessions, I will send out more information. But the main points are, do not rehearse. No need to have a practice with your group. You will just facilitate the slides that I've already created. You might say, John is going to introduce the group, Mary's going to take roll, Sam is going to facilitate and speak to slides 1 through 3, etc. Make sure that you do use your camera function and check your audio, because when your group presents, you do need to be on camera. I hope that this was informative. So we do not have a call tomorrow night. Stay safe. I'm in St. Pete, so we're expecting a lot of rain too. So if you have any questions, just email me. Thanks so much. Good night.